Good morning, everyone. This is a song about loving the love that we come from. I love loving you. I love loving you. I love loving you. I love loving you. You are the most exquisite beauty. You are the sweetest sound. I am falling deeper into you, so lost and finally found. And I love loving you. I love loving you. Would you sing that with us one time? I love loving you. I love loving you. You give all good things, and you make everything so clear. You come and you never leave. You are always here. Please help us. I love loving you. Praise to the Most High. I love loving you. Praise to the peace that lives in all hearts. I love loving you. Praise to the truth that will never be spoken. I love loving you. God is now, God is later. God is in, God is down. God is here, God is there, and God's right where we're sitting now. And I love loving you. I love loving you. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I love loving you. I love loving you.
So we open our hearts and we close our eyes, breathing into the meditation, allowing that music to deliver us into the with the breath. Inhaling and exhaling, lengthening and deepening the breath. We take a community breath. And fully arrive in the present moment. Allowing our minds to untether to thoughts of the past or thoughts at all. And simply inviting in a consciousness of being that there is no thing to do but to breathe. That in fact, that part of the mind that stays active, always trying to understand, to solve, to think, to act out, to rehearse. That part of the mind is allowed to surrender. For in fact, its goal is only reached through the letting go of thoughts and entering the silence. So we allow ourselves to dive into the field that needs no introduction. To the space in mind where all is given and all is received. Where there is more than enough of everything required to meet each moment. In real time. So we inhale and we exhale. We lengthen the breath in and deepen our relaxation on the breath out as we enter the silence. We allow an image or a thought to come to mind that brings us into pure bliss. Maybe it's a place or a person or a sound. And I ask you just to invite that to expand in your heart. Bring it from your mind down to your heart. And then as you inhale and exhale, imagine you're breathing it and expanding it in the heart like you would blow on a flame, inviting it to quicken and expand. And from the heart center, just see it showering out to those sitting to your left and to your right, to the one in front of you and the one behind you. Through the very walls of this sanctuary, through the very walls of your home wherever you are. Pressing it out now to the world around us. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. Namaste.
This song is based on something I heard a friend of mine say quite a few times, and I'm not sure if it's something he came up with himself or if it's something he heard from somebody else, but he would often say, instead of trying so hard to do life, let life do you. When it moves on through, when it walks up to your door, when it knocks at your heart, give a little more. And when it whispers what you know is true, hold your arms wide open. Let life do you. When you're done fighting, when you're too tired to try, when all of your reasons seem like hollow lies, when your stories are illusions that are no longer true, surrender completely. Let life do you. Honesty will warm the frozen places. Honestly, moving to the open spaces. When it's all welcome, when it's all let in, the good, bad, and ugly are met like long-lost friends. And when the sun shines brightly in a sky so blue, let it pierce your heart. Let life do you. And when it whispers what you know is true, Hold your arms wide open. Let life do